7 grand.
Yeah. Or you go 10 grand and you just buy the fucking Humvee.
You buy a Kia, okay, or a Toyota, Prius. You wrap the bitch.
Yeah.
Cash for houses.
Cash for houses.
And you drive it around. And you drive it around to fill your ATMs. And we sit in the back and work. I pull up. We go to Verizon, and I buy one of those Wi-Fi things and like the actual charging ports.
Yeah.
The car just stays running for 10 hours a day.
Yeah.
We work mobily. We go to the office for 3-4 hours a day, and for 6 months.
Yeah.
And when people ask us in a year from now, how'd you build 3,000 ATMs? We said we worked in the back of a Prius on our laptops with hotspots, and it was wrapped cash for houses. Dude, I'm legit fired up right now. Okay, we're about to go test drive this thing.
It's like a little go-kart.
Yeah, bro. Oh, dude, we're balling on a budget, baby. Come on, man. We buying a Prius, baby. I'll buy 5 of these damn things. Get yourself, make enough money, okay, so one day you can buy a Prius, baby, 2009. Right here, I'll drive this thing over a Lambo all day, every day. Don't let nobody tell you different, all right? 50 miles to the gallon right here. I mean, come on. I'm gonna get myself 5 of these bitches, okay? Let's see how much horsepower we got here, okay, guys? Here we go. Pedal to the metal, baby. 0 to 60 on this thing, let me tell you. You feel that? Threw you back in the damn chair. Pull a fucking trailer, bro. We take quads to the dunes and shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Or we can pull ATMs, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, I will buy 10 of these. Do you know how funny of a video we could do?
Come on, man. This Prius is gonna make me a lot of money, man. Come on, man.
We just stand in front of a fleet of Priuses, all cash for houses.
Yeah, all cash for houses.
I'll buy a $2 million house in PV just to park them in the driveway.
Yeah, 100%. You know what I mean?
I'm lit, dude. We're headed there right now. Learned how to drive it. I mean, it's like a Lambo. The doors go up and shit, you know? It's a lot of complicated shit going on there. I mean, you gotta have a special kind of driver's license.
I didn't know Priuses were so complex.
Yeah, dude, let me tell you, you guys will all be fired up.
You know what I mean?
I'm lit, dude. I'll never drive this Range Rover. We're gonna need the VIN number, right?
I'll shoot you a text again. We'll get some more of those.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna get some more, bro.
Right, just message me and say what you got.
Okay.
Yes, send me over your deal.
All right, so we're out here, obviously, you know, pretty cool, right? We're installing some new ATMs, we're moving some ATMs around, and just doing a bunch of different stuff, right, inside of the ATM business. You know, ultimately, when you achieve, you know, a decent level of success, you have to start to look at different options, you know, different places to put your money, and start figuring out, you know, how to get an ROI, right, on your money. You know, obviously, having money sit in a savings account, ultimately, at the end of the day, you are losing money just due to the fact that, you know, inflation is at a higher rate than, you know, probably your average savings account would be. So here we are, you know, kind of just shuffling around some ATMs. You can see here we're installing some ATMs, bolting them to the ground. You know, ultimately, the ATM business is pretty simple, right? We provide the ATM to a business. You know, we pay all the processing fees. We do everything. We install it. We maintain it. We put our cash into it, and we pay them a certain percentage of the surcharge, either a percentage or a flat fee. So here's us putting some cash in there. You know, the average cassette that we do right now holds about $16,000 in cash, and depending on obviously the location of the ATM, you know, will determine how fast.
Honestly, ATMs are giving us a 26% yearly return in revenue. That's better than you can get in real estate. It's pretty fucking crazy.
Get the plate. Right as we're saying it was a nice car, she backed right into our bullshit.
Our Prius, huh?
I can't believe I did that. Oh my god, I just found out my dog's having his leg amputated.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, that's a cool camera.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, let's just get your info, I guess.